Good afternoon, Wildcats. Well, Wildcat staff. I just thought I'd wear a little hat today. Found it around the office. Looking here at PowerSchool. So, if you're looking at some assistant tutorial for how to change your grades before printing them in terms of PowerSchool, this is just a quick tutorial. If you like reference, some of us do like to read it. Do recall that Diane has sent out an email yesterday, I believe. 12 pages, just gives you instructions. These specific instructions relate to pages 3 and 4 in the email that she sent out. Now, one of the things is how to change a 48 or 49% to 50 or a 79% to an 80. Now, do recall that she says before printing your reports, make sure that you've changed the grades and then you've got them printed out before you issue them to Pat. How you do it. So essentially, you open up your PowerSchool Pro. So let's say I'm going to take a look at Science 10 here because it's my class. You go to your score sheet. So that's after it loads the actual class, it'll actually usually load to your assignment list. Once again, I'm just going to move this icon so it's not fully in your way. Just pop it right here. Delete this window. So when you get to your Grading Plus, click on your score sheet. Your score sheet is going to bring your full entire class and what they're sitting at currently in terms of it. All right. Now I've set it up that there's only going to be one grade that shows up. There's not two under the A+ section, but this is where the modification would happen. Luckily, I'm hiding here in the phys ed office, so it takes a little bit to load. So for example, if I come down and I take a look, and I don't have a full cusp, one of those students that fits onto that umbrella. But what I can do is, let's say, I'm going to take one that's close. So for example, here's a 69. Okay. So what you're going to do is you actually click on the box. Okay. Once you actually click on the box, it allows you, it brings up this side column over here. Okay. And under the side column, you can actually change it, right? And I believe you can actually change it in both sections. So according to how we're supposed to do it, I would change this to my 70. Okay. Bumping up to 70. Or in the case of 49 to 48 and 49, you'll put it at 50. In the case of 79, you're going to put it at 80. Now, once you're done that, okay, you click off of it, it is going to ask you to save it. But it will show this little asterisk right here on this little asterisk on the side. Basically, that's an indication, also as a reminder to you. It doesn't show up for the parent, but it does show up for you to know that you actually bumped it up. Okay. So once I do that, I can hit save. And as per instructions, this is actually the same section where I would enter a comment. Okay. I've adjusted the grade, or let's say I'm leaving the grade. I'm going to go back into another student. We'll say here for Jessica. Okay. This is actually where I hit the comment box. That's right here, which will bring out this bottom. Okay. Now, once that is done, if my memory serves me correctly, the first thing we're going to do, once you click on the comment section of the box, okay. So once I click on the comment section, hit clear comment. You're going to erase your first reporting comment that you put in November, and you're basically going to put in the final comment that you're going to have for that student for the end of this semester. That's pretty much it. Like I said, this is on page 3 and 4 of the document that Diane had sent out. If you have any questions or would like a walkthrough, please come see me, or for questions to Diane and Audra. Aside from that, have a great weekend. You have marking. Have a good one. Sorry I took off the hat.